Hey guys, it is me. My name is Ed. Today we're going to be working on my daily driver, which is a 2018 Nissan Frontier. So let me show you what we got going on with it. AC's running in the house, so there is going to be a lot of background noise. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. So this is what's going on. My old battery was basically leaking and it corroded this terminal here. And it's a fuse block terminal, which I ended up getting a new one off of Amazon. It was by Dorman, I believe. And so we're going to take that off and just basically put this on. Should be pretty simple. I really got no one to blame myself except for this, because I knew my battery had the issue. And this whole thing was like, it was just corroded, all like a huge amount of corrosion. And it kept getting worse and worse, and I just left it be. Eventually, when I changed the battery out, tried to get rid of some of the corrosion, but it's still there. We should probably take this off first. That's probably gonna be the wise thing to do. Whether I'm gonna do that or not, I don't know. So I'm really gonna focus on getting this portion off first. And so this right here, I believe, is a 13. This, I believe, is a 10. I haven't tested it yet. Yep, it's a 10. And I believe this last one should be a 12. Why they use 3 different sizes, I have no clue. Yay! Okay, that was pretty easy. I'm really thinking this ground coming off is probably a good idea. Okay, so let's take that off. Let's take that off. And looks like we got some clips. Just pushing on the ends, and it looks like it comes right off. Here we go. So the reason why I'm changing this, it was still working, but with how much corrosion was on there, I was afraid at some point this is gonna corrode all the way through and I'll lose that fuse there and leave me stranded. So that's why I'm doing this. I just got me a spare rag. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, if I need to. A little scrubby thing I can put in my drill to kind of clean it off. This one's really soft, so it may not even do any good. Some corrosion preventer from when we're done. And some battery cleaner with acid detector. So what happens is when you spray this, if it turns yellow, it's detecting battery acid. So we want to clean it until we have no yellow in there. Shake it. Let's get some of this off by hand. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I think it sprays yellow and turns red if it detects battery acid. So we're just gonna let that soak in for a minute. Okay, let's try this. See if it does anything. That wasn't part of the plan. Okay, let's spray it a second time. You know, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to change this terminal out as well. I think I got an extra one. The thing is, this terminal is less than a year old, because I changed this out without changing the fuse block. You know what? I'm going to say that's good enough. Fuck it. Same way I took it off, I'm just going to put it right back on. Do that connector first. Yeah, and that should I should just be able to screw it down. Now, I'm going to keep this old one. And this is just in case like something happens with that one or I blow a fuse. At least I can get something to get me by. Because I know this one actually does work. We're going to spray some cleaner on these bolts. Oh yeah, the middle one's turning red, so that had some corrosion. I better hurry up before it starts to rain. Not perfect, but you know what, that's going to have to do. I'll just monitor this, and if corrosion starts coming back, maybe I'll just change out the bolts and clean everything up with a wire wheel or something. Okay, I know this screw isn't ideal, but if it works, it works. Okay, so now that's done, let's spray some battery corrosion preventer. I think that'll work. Let's take a closer look. So this battery came out of my Sentra. Been a very good battery, actually. Anyway, thank you for watching. Maybe this helped somebody out, maybe it didn't, but oh well. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.